Hi everyone. So in this video we'll learn how to prompt a user for input in JavaScript. In this video I'll show you a very basic example where when you will visit a web page it will ask for a password, and when you will enter a correct password it will show a access granted message. In case you type a wrong password it will show you access denied. Let me show you that example that I just created. Let's open this URL. You can see I'm getting a prompt here to enter the password. Let me type some random password here. Click on OK. So I'm getting access denied. Let me reload this page. The correct password is 123456. Click OK. And you can see we are getting access granted. So this is what we are going to build in this tutorial. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Let's have a basic HTML structure. We only need one element here. That will be h1 element. Initially it will be empty. We'll use style attribute here and text align will be center. At the bottom include the script file, script.js. Save it. Let's create that script file here, script.js. Here select the heading element. Since I want to show a prompt on the page load, we need to utilize the window object and add a load event listener here like this. This will be the handler function which will be executed on the page load. Here we'll prompt the user for input. For that we have to make use of prompt method. So let's create a variable here first, result, and then call this method prompt. We need to pass a message here which will be enter password. So whatever the value a user will provide, that will be stored in the result variable. Now it's time to make a check. For that we'll utilize the if statement. So if result is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6, we'll execute this piece of code. We'll set the text content to access granted and the color will be green. So here we'll use style attribute and color and we'll make it green. Else if it is a wrong password, just copy and paste it. We'll make it access denied and we'll make the color red. That's all what you need. Now just save it, open this file in the browser, type here any random password, click OK. So we are getting access denied. Let's reload this page, type 1 2 3 4 5 6. We are getting access granted. Let me reload this page once more. In case if you want to show some placeholder here, you can do so. Let's go to code file. Here it also takes a default value. So let's make a text here. Please enter correct password. So this will be the default value which will be shown to the user. Save it. Let's go to browser. Reload the page. Now we are getting a default value here. You can also replace it with the correct password or any sort of warning you want. I hope you got the point how it actually works. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.